Let's talk about money, specifically how to protect your earnest money deposit when buying a home. Did you know that you could lose thousands of dollars if you don't understand how it works? Hi, I'm Sheila Howe with Red One Realty, simplifying your real estate journey, and I'm here to break it down for you. So first of all, what is earnest money? Think of it as a good faith deposit, money that you put down when you make an offer to show the seller that you are interested and you're serious. For example, let's say you're buying a $400,000 home. Your earnest money might be around $4,000 to $6,000, typically 1 to 2% of the purchase price. So what happens next? Once your offer is accepted, your deposit goes into escrow. And it's not going into the seller's pocket, so you don't have to worry about the seller taking it and running. It's held safely until closing, and it's applied towards your down payment or your closing cost. But, and this is an important thing, if you back out of the deal without a valid contingency, you could lose that money. Yep, the seller would be entitled to it. So here's how you want to protect it, because there are ways to protect your earnest money. And the contingencies, it really all focuses on the contingencies. So there's the financing, there's the appraisal, there's inspection, and these could all be built into your contract to protect you. Work with a pro like me. I help my clients negotiate smart so that they're protected from these costly surprises. So payment tips. Most escrow companies, they accept wire transfers or cashier's checks. They don't want cash, they don't want a credit card, they don't want a debit card, they don't want a normal everyday check, they want a cashier's check. Buying a home is exciting, and with the right guidance, it doesn't have to be risky. So let's talk about how I can help you navigate every step with confidence. I'm Sheila Howe, Red One Realty, simplifying your real estate journey.